Welcome you all to this session of solving problem on natural drought. Problem 1. A thermal power plant has a chimney draught of 3.5 centimeter of water column. The flue gas temperature flowing through the chimney is 280 degrees centigrade and the ambient temperature is 15 degrees centigrade. The amount of air supplied per kilogram of fuel is 20 kilogram. Calculate the height of the chimney. Now we have to write the given data. A power plant has a chimney draught of 3.5 centimeter of water column. So del P is the draught which is equal to 3.5 centimeter of water. So convert to millimeter, which is 35 millimeter of water. The flue gas temperature flowing through the chimney is 280 degrees centigrade. The flue gas temperature Tg equal to 280 degrees centigrade equal to 553 Kelvin. The ambient temperature is 15 degrees centigrade. So the atmospheric temperature Ta equal to 15 degrees centigrade equal to 288 Kelvin. The amount of air supplied per kilogram of fuel is 20 kilogram. Ma equal to 20 kilogram per kilogram of fuel. Calculate the height of the chimney. So we have to find out the height of the chimney h. Now we have to write the formula for natural draught of chimney del P equal to 353H into 1 by Ta minus Ma plus 1 divided by Ma into 1 by Tg. The unit of natural draught is millimeter of water. Here H is equal to height of the chimney in meters, Ta equal to ambient temperature in Kelvin, and Tg equal to flue gas temperature in Kelvin, and Ma equal to mass of air supplied per kilogram of fuel. Solution. So we know the formula for natural draught of chimney del P, which is 353H into 1 by Ta minus Ma plus 1 over Ma into 1 by Tg millimeter of water. So in our problem they have given the natural draught of chimney is 35 millimeter of water and flue gas temperature Tg equal to 553 Kelvin and Ta equal to 288 Kelvin and mass of air supplied equal to 20 kilogram per kilogram of fuel. Now substituting these values in the draught of chimney equation, so we get the unknown value h. H is equal to 63 meter. So our answer is height of chimney h is equal to 63 meters. Thank you.